Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and today's subject often gets overlooked. Let's talk about how to wash and freshen your pillows. If you want a good night's sleep and a clean, cozy bed, this video is for you. First things first. Why is it so important to clean and freshen your pillows? Well, pillows can accumulate dust, allergens, sweat, and even bacteria over time, which can affect your sleep quality and overall health. Plus, no one wants to lay their head on a dirty pillow, right? Before you start, check the care labels on your pillows. Most pillows have care instructions that tell you if they're machine washable or if they need special care. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations to ensure the longevity of your pillows. If your pillows are machine washable, here's what you need to do. Remove the pillowcase and any pillow protectors. Place 2 pillows in the washing machine to maintain balance and maximize cleanliness. Use a mild detergent and set the machine to a gentle or delicate cycle with a slow spin. You can add a couple of tennis balls and socks to help fluff up your pillows. Once the cycle is done, run an extra rinse cycle to ensure all detergent is thoroughly removed. For feather pillows, use a low heat setting in the dryer with some tennis balls to fluff them up. Memory foam pillows should never be machine washed. Instead, follow the care instructions on the label for spot cleaning. Now, let's talk about keeping your pillows fresh in between washes. Every time you change your bed linens, fluff your pillows to redistribute the filling and remove any dust. An excellent way to keep your pillows fresh for longer is to invest in pillow protectors. These zippered covers act as a barrier between your pillows and any potential dirt or moisture, making your pillows easier to maintain. You can use a fabric steamer to sanitize and deodorize pillows. Let them dry for a bit before putting the clean pillowcases on. Remove and wash the pillow protectors often to keep them clean and fresh. You can use your favorite essential oil in spray form for a quick refresh. And don't neglect your decorative pillows. Check the washing instructions on the label. If the covers are removable and washable, send them for a cold water, delicate cycle in your washer. If they're not machine washable, put them in the dryer with a couple of tennis balls on air fluff to knock the dust out of them. If there are any stains, you should be able to spot clean them with a damp cloth and a solution of dish soap and water. Remember, maintaining your pillows not only ensures a good night's sleep but also promotes a healthier sleeping environment. So, take good care of those pillows. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite pillow keeping tricks are, and tell us what topics you would like us to cover in the future. We love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all our cleaning and home improvement tips. Click here for more tips about keeping your bedroom a healthy zone of relaxation. See you all in the next video.